In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can verify your age in Roblox. Now, before I get started, I just want to say, please make sure you watch this video the whole way through to ensure you get every step correct and you're able to verify your age successfully. And with that being said, please make sure you also like and subscribe the video as it really helps a lot. Now, let's get right into how we're going to do this. So in order for us to verify our age on Roblox, we're going to need to actually go onto the Roblox website, and to do this we need to be on a computer really. So what we're going to do is we're going to go onto Chrome and I'll see you there. So now that I'm on the Roblox website, you can see it looks like this. I've logged into my account, and once I've logged into my account I can go up here to this settings tab here and go to settings like this. Now from here we can actually go to the account info section and go to this personal section. It says birthday here. So in here you want to put your birthday in. I've just put a random one in here, and we want to press verify my age. So you can click that here and it's going to bring up a little pop-up which says verify your age to get the most out of Roblox. So what you need to do is prepare a valid ID. So you need a driver license, passport, ID card or residence permit, and you need a smartphone. Now in order to verify your ID, I believe you need to be 13 plus to use some of the features. Next thing you want to do is get your phone out and scan this code on the photo app, or just the camera. Scan it and it should open up a website. Once you open the website, you should be able to verify your ID. So it's going to ask you to take a photo of it and then a selfie, and it should verify it automatically very quickly. Then once you've done that, your ID should be verified and you can use other settings on Roblox. So this is really great if you want to use things like age, voice chat, or if you want to have some of the features which are age restricted in certain games and stuff like that. But that's how you do it. Now if you did enjoy this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that it did help. Thank you for watching.